Growing freesia from prepared bulbs increases your success with getting beautiful blooming flowers. And knowing how to collect and store freesia bulbs is a must-have skill if you want a productive freesia flowers garden. Keep watching my video and you will learn all you want to know how to collect freesia flower bulbs, and what is the proper way to store them, and increases your success to beautiful fragrant freesia blooms. When freesia plant has finished flowering, the leaves will die off. Let them die back on their own, and never cut green freesia leaves. This allows the bulbs to store more food and produce flowers the following season. When all the leaves are completely dead, it's time to lift the bulb from the soil and collect them. Remove your freesia bulbs from the soil and gently clean off any soil around them. When you remove the soil, you may see small bulbs growing off your bulb. These are the cornels. They grow onto the main bulb. Use your fingers to remove these as well. These small bulbs can be plants as well next fall. Freesia bulbs can be stored and replanted next fall if cared for properly. Lay your freesia bulbs out on newspaper in a cool, dark, dry area. Always make sure the bulbs aren't touching one another to allow good air circulation. Allow the bulbs to dry and cure over about 3 weeks. After the curing period, check your bulbs again for any damage or soft spots. Place the dry and healthy bulbs in labeled paper bags. Proper labeling is so important, as each species may have different planting and care requirements. The recommended storage temperature is 77 to 86 degrees Fahrenheit for the majority of freesia bulbs. Store them in a warm, dry and frost-free place until the next growing season. Knowing how to collect and store freesia bulbs is a must-have skill if you want a productive freesia flowers garden. Keep in mind that growing freesia from prepared bulbs increases your success with getting beautiful blooming flowers. Happy gardening!